The next time you log in, it'll be there for you.
Expert how-tos.
I'm gonna show you the basics of creating a profile. If you don't already have a Twitch account, you just wanna head over to twitch.tv and hit sign up. It's gonna ask you to input your information, so you'll put in your username, your password, you confirm your password, date of birth, and email. On Twitch, if you want to be a streamer, you have to authenticate your email, so make sure you're using an email that you have connected to and you can check your emails. And then once you're logged into Twitch and you've authenticated your email, you're ready to sign into Streamlabs with that account. So one of my favorite features of Streamlabs is when you log in with the account, it will save that information on the Streamlabs cloud. So if you log out and you log on to another computer, your information, your settings, your sources, everything that you went through customizing is saved.